Ever bought a batch of strawberries only to see them go moldy the next day? Well, we've got a timeless secret that will transform your strawberry experience forever. Cheaper than a preservative, safer than chemicals, we introduce the vinegar wash solution. Imagine this, your luscious strawberries floating in a bowl of crystal clear vinegar solution, soaking up the age-old wisdom hidden in the tangy goodness of vinegar. This humble hero silently wards off the devious mold and gifts you strawberries that are fresh days after they'd have normally started going bad. So the next time you buy your basket of juicy red berries, remember, a vinegar wash not only adds days to their life, but also lends an untold zing to your strawberry delight. We've all been there, creating a masterpiece, our imaginations flying free, only to be interrupted by the agonizing scrape of a dry marker. It instantly steals the joy of creation, leaving you with an incomplete piece of art. But today, we're going to unveil a secret method to bring such abandoned, dried-out markers back to life. And guess what? The magical ingredient is likely already in your kitchen. Vinegar. Yes, that's right. Vinegar, a common household item that resurrects your dried markers. So let's wave goodbye to the heartache of discarding our favorite art supplies. Watch closely as we drip a small splash of vinegar into the dried-out heart of our markers, breathing life back into them. No more wastage and no more wasteful pauses in the passionate pursuit of artistic creation. Remember, it's not just about reviving markers, but reviving creativity itself. So, buckle up and join us in this magical marker revival journey. Ever struggled with stubborn stains and grease marks that just refuse to disappear off your cutting board? Has the thought of shelling out more money on chemical-infused cleaning products left you disheartened? Fear not, because we have a lifesaver right in our kitchen, the humble lemon, joined with its powerful partner, salt. These two create an eco-friendly and cost-effective stain remover that works like magic. As you join us through this illuminating journey, our aim is to save your time, money, and, most importantly, the environment. We'll guide you, step by step, on how to prepare and apply this miraculous mixture of lemon juice and salt to conquer those tough stains, leaving your boards looking brand new. So let's get started and unveil the wonders of nature right in the heart of our kitchen. There you are, strolling down the high-fashion streets, reflecting confidence and style with every stride. But wait, what's that noise? The persistent squeak of your favorite pair of shoes is creating an embarrassing soundtrack to your walk of style. You may have thought about shelving those favorite companions of yours just to evade the tune of awkwardness they play. But don't you worry, we have the perfect solution. Believe it or not, baby powder is all it takes to silence your noisy heels. Just imagine, you lift the insole, sprinkle that magical white dust, give it a gentle tap down, and there you go. Your beloved shoes are ready to hit the roads in silence. The process is as simple and satisfying as making a sandwich. With a pinch of baby powder, bid adieu to that squeaky nuisance and rediscover the joy of walking freely, unaccompanied by unintended sound effects. So next time your shoes decide to become chatterboxes, remember, silent steps, happy feet is just a sprinkle away. We've all been there. That moment of panic when you're reaching for an ice pack for a bump, bruise, or to beat the summer heat, and you're out of ice. But don't stress anymore. If you've got a kitchen, you've got a solution. Picture this, your everyday, humble kitchen sponge. It's more than just a dish cleaner. It's about to become your homemade ice pack. It's a trick as old as cold itself, yet many don't know about it. So how do you do it? Just take a clean sponge, soak it in water until it's fully saturated, then slip it into a Ziploc bag. Pop that bag in the freezer, and voila! In a few hours, you've got a flexible, reusable ice pack ready to soothe any OEs or keep your lunchboxes cool. And the best part? It doesn't drip all over like regular ice does because the sponge soaks up the melt. Just refreeze and use it again. Sponge it up and freeze your troubles away.